Fine. So see, first round in Cognizant is communication round. Close. Okay, we have 4 sections in this. The time taken is close to 1 hour. Then second round is okay, quant and gaming. That too 5 games they are giving no reasoning. Kindly understand. This quant also we have 30 questions and time duration is 30 minutes. Right. Whereas gaming point of view, you people have 4 games. Right. Then third one is technical test, technical assessment, not round, not interview, technical assessment. It is again okay. They are going to assign some clusters. For 3 clusters are there. One cluster will be assigned. Okay, for the students. That's purely depends on certifications you people do, and during the registration what we kept, and the company also taking the final call related to that. But common in all the 3 clusters is SQL is common. SQL queries is common, right? Okay, this is regarding your CTS. Then TR and HR, that's common anyhow, followed by TR technical round and HR round. Fine. This is regarding CTS test or CTS test pattern, right? I believe everybody understand the test pattern. We move to the area quant. Okay, in quant, in CTS, what aspects you people are able to look into that? Okay, and cut off in each section. See, don't worry, sir, I'm not good in quant. If you have basics, also find here. Basics also fine because see, the cutoff you have to take the exam in such a way. Cutoff is hardly around okay 50% only cutoff. So out of 30 questions, you attempted 15 questions correctly. Also done. Out of 30, 15 cleared also done. That's very easy. Gaming also very easy. After the session, you'll understand gaming is very easy. Now let's have a look into this question here. First question, guys, I believe you people have a zoom option. You can just zoom it out and see the screen. This is the original exam questions we can understand. That's why I kept the screenshots as it is, right? Okay. And some people are looking into what platforms. This section is conducted by CoCubes or Ion. CoCubes or Ion. This is going to be conducted by Metal. Metal will conduct. And these interviews are happen physically, offline interviews, and it will be recorded in your superset account, right? Now let's have a look into this question. I'll give time, solve both the questions. And also close to 30 minutes is the time duration, right? Then technical and assessment 3 clusters will be there. Okay, SQL queries is the common in all the clusters. There are a lot of things, but common is SQL queries in all the clusters. Then TR and HR, CoCubes or Ion will conduct this round. This is conducted by Metal, right? And these are the questions you just okay. This is the exam, original exam questions you can understand. Okay, you can just look into this first 2 questions. Okay, I'm just zooming and you also can zoom your screen. Solve these two and respond with your answers in the chart. First question is related to time and work. Second question, it's a basic question. We can say not percentage also, it's a basic question. Simplification related we can call. Right, so answers please. I believe now screen is visible. Yeah, let's see this question. First one, how to handle. 18 men can complete a work in 20 days and 20 women can complete a piece of work in 32 days. 18 men started the work and after 15 days they replaced by X women. If X women can complete the work in 16 days, what is the value of X? Right. See, 18 men can complete the work in 20 days. 80 women can complete the work in 20 days. Now we have okay 18 men started the work and after 15 days. So if you just have a look, okay, we have 15 days completed The remaining work is only 5 days. The remaining work is only 5 days left over, right? So 18 men can complete the work in 5 days. The remaining work, already 15 days completed, remaining work is 18 men working. They can do it in 5 days. This is remaining work, right? Now, X women completed this in 16 days. Now, we have to find the value of X. We have to find the value of X, right? So, you just again see the scenario. 18 men can complete the work in 20 days. He worked only for 15 days. After 15 days, he went. Remaining work is, if he is 18 men are working, it can complete in 5 days. But instead of 18 men, X women are there. Now X women complete the work in 16 days. What is the value of X is the question. Remaining work, this is only remaining work. Right now, if you know the relationship between men and women, in question they given that data, relation between men and women can be obtained. What is that? 18 men 20 days, or I can say 20 men can complete the work in 18 days. It can be vice versa. 18 men 20 days completing, or 20 men completing the work in 18 days, both same. 20 women complete the work in 32 days. Or you can swap like this, one moment. Okay, I'll just keep it in this way. నన్ను మీరు ఇటు అటు మార్చుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. You can swap it. 18 men 20 days, 20 women 30 days, right? So I'll write 32 women can complete the work in 20 days. Both actually equal. 20 men complete the work in 32 days, or 32 women complete the work in 20 days. Both are equal, right? Or undu equivalent. So 18 men into 20 days is equal to 32 women into 20 days. So what is the relation between men and women? Okay, you can see 9, this is 16. 9 men equal to 16 women. 9 men equal to 16 women. Guys are understanding what I am discussing here. అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్తుంది ఏంటనేది? క్వశ్చన్లో వాడు 18 men 20 days, 20 women 32 days they given. You can write it swap, or else you can take it directly also. Now there is nothing wrong. You have to bring relation between men and women. Okay. Now this 18 men, 9 men is equal to 16 women means 18 men equal to 32 women. I can map that to 32 women. 32 women 5 days. Now X women 16 days. Again you need to find what is the value of X. So 32 women into 5 days equal to X women into 16 days. 16 1, 16 2 times. W cancel. X value is nothing but equal to 10. Option C is the answer. I'll repeat it again. What is the process happening? Time and work question. Time and work question. Right, so I'll repeat. Okay, I'll take some empty slide here. Yeah. Question 1, I am just again repeating. In question, 18 men can complete the work in 20 days. 20 women can complete the work in 32 days. Right. Okay, so you can give the relationship between these two. Before that, in question, they said 18 men worked for 15 days. Means remaining work is 18 men can complete the work in 5 days. This is the remaining, right? Now that 18 men who is to complete that work in 5 days, X woman is worked for 16 days. We have to calculate the X woman. These two people are doing same work. Men ఉంటే 18 men ఉంటే 5 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. X women ఉంటే 16 days లో అవుద్ది. We need to calculate the relationship between these two. Right, we have to calculate the X value using the relationship between men and women. Sir, where we can find the relation between men and women? Here we have a chain rule. How many members, how many days? Okay, m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Here how many members is 18 members, 18 men 20 days. Here 20 women 32 days. I can bring the relationship between men and women like 9 men are okay, let it be, no need to cancel that. Yeah. DD cancel, I can say 18 men equal to 32 women. 32 women can complete the work in 5 days. X women can complete the work in 16 days. What is the value of X? Again, chain rule, 32 women, 5 days. X women, 16 days. You need to calculate the value of, okay, this is 16 1, 16 2 times WW cancel. X is nothing but equal to 10. I believe now you people understand what is happening. Clear? Answer is 10, not 15. 10 is the answer. That's what option C. Right. Now let's look into the second question. This all I'm just removing. Okay, as I am discussed that already in below, I'm just removing this. Now see the next question. Have a look into the second question. I'll wait for your answer. Second and third both. Right. So let's see about the second question. 4 by 5th of the employees. We don't know how many employees is there. So let us assume employees equal to 100. I'm assuming employees equal to 100. Right? Business consultants is 4 by 5th of the employees means nothing but equal to 80. Right? And 3 by 5th of them means this people. It's not 3 by 5th of the total, 3 by 5th of them as per the point of view. This is 3 by 5th of 80. Right? So which is 48 people are men. Among business consultancy, 48 people are men. Okay, and the remaining 32 will be women as per this point of view. But in question, listen, in question they said there are 320 women. I assumed 1000. That's why I got business consultancy women are 32, but given 320. So I have to do into 10. Answer is 1000. 100 is what I assumed. I had to multiply into 10 to get 1000. This is, I assume, this is correct one. I had to correct my assumption. I don't know, I am assuming 100. Okay, but I got 32 women, but given is 320. We had to multiply by 10, which is 1000. Guys, are you clear? No need to calculate X and all, going with that waste of time. I'll do in this fashion generally. Some of the people maybe, sir, why all this? I want easy way of handling. Right? So you can do like, yeah, you can directly attack the question like 4 by 5th of x, 4 by 5x. Among 4 by 5x, 3 by 5x is gone. Remaining how much part? 2 by 5th of 4 by 5x equal to. You can map like this. I'll just give you another method of solving second question. Okay, directly with the equation. Listen, you don't know total employees, let it be equal to x. Among these business consultancies are 4 by 5th of the x is business consultancy. Now among this 4 by 5th of the x, 3 by 5th of 4 by 5th of x is nothing but, okay, what is this people? Men, business consultancy who are men. Now woman is 2 by 5th of 4 by 5th of the x is woman. In question business consultancy woman is given. This is given. So I can map 8 by 8x divided by 25 equal to 320. Some people solve with this equation format. You feel this is easy. Okay, it's your wish. X equal to 1000. Number of employees is 1000. You can solve this way or that way. That's all up to you. Right. Now let's see about the third question here. Answer for third question, please. I'll wait for your answer. You given the answer as 2880. Let's see. Okay. So this is bat plus ball cost is 6000. BT plus BL is 6000. Right. Now bat 20% profit. So 120% of bat, ball 10% loss, 90% of ball. The cost, the overall 2% profit for 6000. For 6000, 1% is 60, 2% is nothing but 120. So 6120 is the price now. There are two equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Guys, have a look into this question. Two equations, bat plus ball cost is 6000. 120% of bat plus 90% of ball cost is 6120. I can divide with yeah, the zeros can be cancelled everywhere. In fact, I can divide with the 3, 3 4 times, 3 3 times, 3 2 not 4 times, right? And this percentage will go to that side. This is 4 times of bat plus 3 times of ball cost is 20,400. And here bat plus ball is 6,000. I want cost of selling price of cricket bat. Guys, selling price of cricket bat, 20% profit required. Now, bat cost is required first of all. So I'll multiply this with 3. 3 times of bat plus 3 times of ball is 18,000. From this clearly I got bat cost is equal to 2,400. But answer is not 2,400. Answer is 2,888 because they're asking selling price. Excellent. The friend who given the answer 2,888, perfect. So selling price bat is 2,400, but question is selling price of the bat 20% we have to add. 10% is 240, removing 10. 20% is 480. So selling price of the bat will be okay for 2,880 will be the answer. Selling price of bat will be 2,880. Here, right. Now let's see about the next one. See the next question. Yeah, this questions. Try this three questions. Three on screen. Try all three. I'll wait for your answers. All three you solve. Later we have a discussion. And let's see about this question 4. Okay. Millets and rice is 3:7. Total 10, but they said 300 tons. Connection is multiplied with 30. Means millet in 2016 this is. Millets in 2016 is 3 into 30. Rice in 2016 is 7 into 30. Millets in 2016 is 90. Rice in 2016 is 210. Now question 210 become 350. 210 become 350. What is the percentage increase? Percentage growth. How much growth? 140. Percentage increase means profit percentage. What is the profit is 140 with respect to cost price, with respect to initial value into 100. 72 times 73 times, which is 66.67. Option C. Option C, this is 2016, this is after 3 years. Only regarding rice the question is. Don't involve millets there, only this is regarding rice. Got the point? Right, let's see the next question. Percentage growth means percentage increase, percentage rise. Mention the question number please. Next year, 6,734 is divided 1/3 of Arun amount, 1/4 of Bob amount, 1/6 of Chris amount, all are equal to let it be K. Then A, B, C. Okay, fine, one moment. Then what I can write from this? A equal to 3K, B equal to 4K, C equal to 6K. All this combined is 6,734, right? Which is 13K is 6,734. Now question is Bob amount. Bob amount means 4K, right? So which is 4 divided by 13 into 6,734. There are some questions where there is certain mistakes also, but still, okay, among options which is suitable, we have to go, right? So now 13 5 times 65, 23 is there, 1 times, and this is 8 times. 4 into 5 and 8 is 2072. 2072 is your answer. Fifth question option D. Somebody said fifth question option 3. No, option D. D option. Clear? Very good. Now see the sixth question. Seventh question already option available. Okay, maybe wrong also we have to check. Now if you see about the sixth question, this is regarding boats and stream. Downstream is nothing but boat plus water flow speed. Upstream is nothing but boat speed minus water speed, speed of stream, speed of water. Speed is distance by time, as everyone knows. Here distance is 5 by 7 means 40 by 7. Time in 12 minutes means 1 by 5th of the hour, which is 200 by 7 kilometer per hour. Whereas here 7 by 9 means 70 by 9. 45 minutes means 3 by 4th of the hour. Now this goes to numerator, 280 divided by 27 kilometer per hour. Now boat speed means adding these two divided by 2. Boats, that too approximately they are asked. You have options. But okay, add these two and divide by 2 will be boat speed. Boat speed will be always downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. You know downstream speed, you know upstream speed. Add those two, divide by 2 should be your answer. Right? So do the calculations. This is approximately 10.4. This is approximately 200 by 7. No? Fine. 2 times and 60 means 28.5 approximately. Adding these two, 38.9 or 40, divide by 2. Okay, it's around 19.464 you'll get. Calculator not allowed officially, but okay, without showing to the camera, you can use it below. As it is virtual exam, you're taking the exam from home. Calculator, okay, without showing to the camera, in a gentle manner, you can just try. Okay. Now let's have a look into the seventh and eighth question. Any doubts in these three questions, please let me know. No doubts, right? So we'll move for next question. Seventh and eighth. Give a try for seventh and eighth. I'll wait for your answers. Observe the seventh question. Elizabeth get 5 times the amount in 10 years. Okay, see, in 10 years it is become 5 times. The amount will become 5 times. Okay, it's 5 times in 10 years. Next, again 10 years you take, again 5 times it will become 25. So answer is 10 years, not 20. That's what the thing. Okay, if you want the amount become 25 means answer is 10 years. Sorry, 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, wait. This 10 and this 10, total 20. Agreed. Here 10 years, here 10 years. Total in 20 years it will be completed. 20 is the answer. Every 10 years it becomes 5 times. The amount will become 5 times in every 10 years. Guys are understanding or not? Right. Now when you look into the next question, it's that is a question for everyone, right? Okay, A and B, 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. They want 66 means we have to multiply by 6. 4 into 6 is 24, 7 into 6 is 42. Or else see the options which is satisfying 4 and 7. 32, 42. This is 4 8 times or okay 16 and 21. It's not 4 and 7 ratio. Eliminated. You can observe 4 is to 7 ratio is required. Adding 66 required. That is a question, right? Adding 66 only option C is available. Now look into this ninth question. Now this question, my age m years ago was 5 times your age. My age m years hence will be 3 times your age. The difference of present age is 40 years. Then find the present age of Jacob's son. Jacob told to his son, my age m years ago. Okay, Jacob age m years ago is 5 times your age. Means 5 times the son age. M years hence means after m years is 3 times your age. Now, if the difference of their present ages, now first if we take adding these two, we got 2 times of Jack age is 8 years of son age. Jack is 4 times the son age. Right, in question they given difference of their present ages. Jack minus this is 40. Then we got 3s equal to 40. We want 4s. So somewhere, okay, my age m years ago was 5 times your age. Let it be that is also m years ago minus m. My age m years hence will be 3 times your age. 3 times of s plus m if we just map it. Then what will happen? M will come into picture. The difference between the present ages is 40. What is this age of Jacob's son? Right. So I got 3s equal to 40. S is 40 by 3, which is not satisfying. And one thing be clear, in exam wantedly 2 to 3 questions they are going wrong. Wrong data they are giving. If you're confident on your procedure, you opt any one among that. That's not a problem. But before that, we have to double check because they're writing programming for questions. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కి క్వశ్చన్స్ కొత్త కొత్త క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి టైం పడుతుందని వాడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తున్నాడు. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో లాజిక్ తప్పైతే వాల్యూస్ అన్ని తప్పు అవుతాయి. Ago means past. Okay, hence means future. Okay, this is one thing. Adding these two, mm get cancelled. We got 8s. Difference is 3s. S is 40 by 3. Question what అడుగుతుంది is Jacob's son present age. Fine. Or there might be a chance వాడు ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలా అనుకోండొచ్చు. నేను దాని గురించి ఇంకొక పాసిబిలిటీ ఛాన్స్ కూడా చూద్దాం. యువర్ present age చెప్పలేదు కాబట్టి what I can do as they not mention the present age related. So I'll write it like Jacob age m years ago is 5 times of son. That ago is common for son also, let it be. Then Jacob age m years after is 3 times of son age after m years. And we have difference between Jacob and son is equal to 40, right? 3 equations, 3 unknowns J, M and S. This is general case. Okay, m years ago is common for both, m years hence is common for both. That's one thing. Okay, they didn't mention here present age, right? Because question lo manaku 5 times of your present age and leave. This m years ago will be common for both Jacob and son. Here m years hence is common for both. We have to write s plus m, s minus m, s plus m here. Now if you just think in that direction, now again if I subtract these two equations, 2m will be equal to 3m minus 2s. J cancel, m minus of minus m is 2m. This side 3m plus 8m will come. So 6m equal to 2s. S equal to 3m. That's one data. Okay, then if I put S equal to 3m here in this equation, then what will be J? J equal to M plus 5 into 3M minus 10M. So J will be equal to 11M. Yeah, 11M minus 3M equal to 40. M equal to 5, S equal to 15. This is what, see, Sun age 15 correct. Here previously there is a mistake. Okay, here we need to put the equation that M years ago, M years hence is common for both. This is common for both. This is common for Jacob and Son both. That's why here mistake is happened. Okay, so M years hence, M years ago is common for both. Yeah, that's what S minus M, S plus M. Super. Now let's see about these two questions on screen. Work on it. This is typical model they given in CTS. Damn sure this model everyone will come. Values will change. Be aware of that. Right. So out of 2000 kilometers by air, which is 5 length of entire journey. Let us say X is your journey. 5 by 11th of X is 8. Right? Okay, keep it. Next, she traveled the remaining distance by either car. Remaining distance is what? 6 by 11th of that. Right? Among 6 by 11, 3 by 11th is car. Wait, okay, instead of that, okay, let's say 3 by 11th of the entire is car. 3 by 11th by car. Now train, what is train? Train will be also 3 by 11th, then only X will come, right? So when 5 by 11th is related to 2000 kilometers, that they given in the question, by A 2000 kilometers. When 5 by 11 is 2000, okay, X by 11 is nothing but 400. 3X by 11 is, okay, 3 into 400, which is 1200. Dear friends, see this question. Okay, it's basic question. You don't think this is a time and distance. It's a basic question. X 5 by 11th of X is 8. That is given already as a 2000. 3 by 11th for car. Remaining 3 by 11th on train. 3 by 11th of X we had to calculate. X by 11th is 400. 3 by 11th of X is nothing but 3 into 400, 1200 kilometers. Right? Now let's see about 11th and 12th. Both. One friend given the answer for 11th one as 275411, which is not there in the options. Okay, fine. Remaining, please check once. Timing. Timing is what? They want timing. Time is distance by speed. So first one distance is 18, speed is 1/3. Second one distance is 27, speed is 1/4. Next one distance is 33, speed is 1. Now this will go to numerator 18 into 3, 27 into 4, and this is 33. We have divided by 3 common, 3 ones, 3 nines, 3 11s, which is 18, 36 and 11, option D. So it's again ratios, very simple time and distance concept only, but see how simple they given. Time is distance by speed, distance are already available, speed is available, just find the ratio. It's 18, 36 and 11. Got it? Super. Now solve 12th one. Time and work question, 12th one, solve this. Yeah, if you check this question, X alone can complete the work in 15 days. Y alone can complete the work in 20 days. Z alone 30 days. Total 60 pages is the work we can consider. Now 4 pages per day X can type, Z can type 3 pages per day. Here work is 60, I assumed. They didn't given what is the work in the question, I assumed as 60. How can you assume only 60, sir? See, here I taken LCM for the given values. Okay, so that calculations will be easy. LCM for 15, 20 and 30 is 60. Right. And this is 2 pages per day. Now in question what they said, X worked for 5 days, Y and Z join X to finish. How many days it will take to complete the remaining work after the first 5 days? See, first 5 days, X only there. What X can do? Okay, 4 pages per day for 5 days, 20 pages completed. Remaining 40 pages are there. Who are available? X, Y, and Z all are available. Right, so which is 9 into, okay, 9 pages per day efficiency, total 40 pages. Timing is nothing but, okay, work by efficiency, work is 40, divide by 9, approximately 4.44. Option D is correct. 4.44 is the answer. Option D is correct. 4.44. Not C, option D. Now look into this data interpretation question, and you have a question below. For this diagram, yeah, data interpretation table or bar graph or line graph, definitely we have data interpretation 3 to 4 questions. 3 to 4 questions from table or bar graph or pie chart or line graph. Data interpretation related. It can be line graph also or pie chart as well. Now solve this. This is the answer for this question. 2011 to 2016. Food grain 2011. Food grain means this one 700. 2016 it become 950. Food grain total rice produced. Rice is 220. It become 480. Not okay. 2011 to 2016 total rice is what percentage of food grain in 2013? Okay, fine. Sorry, we have to add all this. 2220, 360, all total rice, right? So 220, 360, 580, 980, 1260, and here it is 800. If I'm not wrong, it's 2060. You have to correct me. Is approximately what percentage of total food grain in 2013? 2013 food grain is 900. Is what percentage? Into 100 we have to do. It's 2060 divided by 9 is what we have to get the answer. Okay, this is all things we have to consider, right? So divided by 9. So you have options, yes, good. Okay, you can see 2 times 18 and again you have 26, 260. So it's approximately 229 percentage. Option A, 229 percentage is the answer. Right. So let's see the next one. Length, breadth and height of a shape. You just focus on this question now. These two questions, have a look. Solve these two questions. Read the question. Okay, length is 5, breadth is 6, height is 7. We can take 500, 600, 700. Length increased by 25%, breadth increased by 25%. So 25% means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4th of 500 is 125. 1 by 4th of 600 is 150. Right. So here 14.29% decrease, right? So 1 by 7th decrease it meaning 14.29 decrease means subtracting. Now originally what is the volume is L into B into H. Now new volume is again L dash B dash H dash, this is the value. Now percentage increase clearly observe, it's 7,125 divided by 21,000 into 100. Now this will get cancelled. It's like 7125 divided by 210, which is 33.92. Okay, that's what I got. Or 34% approximately. So anywhere we did mistake, that's fine. Increase. Okay, sorry. This is 37.5% increase. I did a mistake. That is 37.5% increase means 3 by 8. 37.5% means 3 by 8. Okay, 600. Okay, that is a mistake. 600 into 3 divided by 8. 225 added. It is one moment. 225 added here. It will become 825. Then this product will be disturbed automatically. Plus 225, which is 825. Now 625 into 825 into 600, which is 309375 into 10 power 3. This above one will be, yeah, few questions are typical questions, fine, that's not a worry, but you have to know the procedure, how we are solving. Into 10 power 3, it's clearly increasing is clearly observed. It's I think 40 something will come. It's not option C and D. I think A and B only I can sense it. We'll see that. So 30,000 or 3 lakhs 9,375. Here it is okay. Increase we can observe. Yes, it's 99,375 divided by 21,000 in 2 lakhs 10,000 into 100. This to cancel. We have to find 99,375 divided by 2100, which is 47.32. 1 by 7 means 14 2 by 7 actually. Close to this, slightly not exact same. So if you decrease this value slightly or increase, well, then what will happen? It should be 47 point close by is, I think it should be 46.10 here. You correct me if anything calculation wrong here. I'll just check your chart now. Lot of messages in chat, so I'm just opening that. So I have to scroll. Okay, nice answer. Are you getting this question? Are you understanding this? Is this question fine? Are you comfortable with this one? Yeah, this calculations don't think that this percentage will keep changing. Same thing will not be, but you have to know 25% is 1 by 4. So how 37.5% is 3 by 8 means? See, 100% is 1, 50% is half, 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, 12.5% is 1 by 8, 12.5% is 1 by 8. I want 37.5% means into 3 for this, 3 by 8. Likewise, okay, I did this actually 3 by 8 of 600, calculating all those stuff. We got all these values, right? See the procedure. Okay, increasing plus plus, this is decreasing minus, and this is the change. Percentage increase or profit is how much increase with respect to initial value into 100. Now let's look into the 15th question. The company's budget is allocated to 3 departments in the ratio 357. After revision, the ratio changes to 247. The total budget after revision is $210,000, and the increase in the budget for the second department is $10,000, then what was the total job budget before the revision? Before revision, what is? After revision, what is that? The difference between, okay, second apartment is clearly mentioned. Second apartment increased. Previously 357, now it is 247. The budget after revision is 2,10,000. The budget after revision is 2,10,000. Difference between the second apartment, apartment 1, apartment 2, apartment 3. Difference. This is more. Second one is more. So the total budget after revision, the increase in budget for the second apartment, this is increasing. So ratio, this is, yes, we have to understand there is some increase. Now what I'll do, we have to modify this equation and you can map accordingly. This increase is so and so, how to map to that. Increase is 10,000. If I make it as increase for the second apartment is 10,000. Modify these equations dear. నన్ను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా సింపుల్గా మీరు ఈ రేషియోని మోడిఫై చేస్తే చాలు. దీన్ని మోడిఫై చేయగలిగితే ఇది 357 కదా, ఇక్కడ మనకు 5 ఉంది, ఇది 6 గానే అనుకో, 1 ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ట్రై. Now what I'm trying that, okay, I want here 6, that's what my target, so I'm multiplying with 1.5. I'll let you know why, the reason. Okay, then it is 3, this is 6, this is 10.5, let it be. This is 10.5, let it be. Now 5 becomes 6, 1 increasing relates to $10,000. A no change, 3, okay, 1, okay, here increase the ratio is 1, but in question, okay, they said second apartment increased by $10,000, right? So I'm just trying to connect that ratio with this ratio. Fine, but here we need one more connection. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 10.5, 19.5. 19.5 related to this. Then this is what? 3 plus 5, 15 related to what? 19.5 related to this, 15 related to what? Then what I can do, calculations like cross multiplication, 2 lakhs 10,000 into 15 divided by 19.5 we do. We got 1,61,538. It's not there. Before revision, after revision. Before revision it's 357. After revision it is 247. The second apartment increase in the budget is 10,000. And after revision the budget is this. Or okay, let it be, what we can do, we can handle directly also. What is second apartment budget after increasing? Then we'll map before. So this is A1 dash, okay, A2 dash, A3 dash. 247, adding all this will give 13. Right? If I want second one, 4 divided by 13 into 2,10,000. You can observe 4 divided by 13 into 2,10,000. So 4 into, okay, divided by 13 we have to map, which is 64,615 point something. This is 10,000 increase, means this should be 54,615. When 5 represents this all together is 15 then. Means into 3 for that. My answer should be 54,615 approximately into 3, which is 1,63,000. Yeah, option B is correct. Let's see this, how we solve. This is not, okay, this is approximate value. It's not exactly 64,615 point something is there. You just observe what I did. I'm first calculating the, after increase, what is the second apartment price? Second apartment budget after increase. Okay, this is 4 out of 13 into 21,000. I got approximately this one. I'm doing 10,000 less to get this because okay, after increase revision, second apartment is increased by 10,000. This is 5 represents 54,650. Why 54, sir? 10,000 gap. Here to here, 10,000 gap. Then 5 is this means 15 means into 3 for this. That will give 1,63,845. But this is point something is there. Okay, exactly to precise you people, it's 21 okay, 2 lakh something into 4 divided by 13. 0.38 is also there. If I put that 0.38, then it will go for okay approximately this value 846. See this? Right? So ratios related again some certain basic questions. See this question. Now let's move into these two questions. Let me know the answer. I'll wait for your answers. 16th question answers 1 by 4. See, certain questions are difficult, certain questions are very easy. That's what I'm telling you. Don't worry. Your target is 15 questions correct out of 30. మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే ఎగ్జామ్లో గో ఫర్ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ దెన్ ఆరామ్సే యూ కెన్ ట్రై దర్ ఈస్ నో వర్రీస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. So previous question is time taking calculations. I do agree. I'm not saying that okay, this question also bit time taking. Sir, yes, I agree. So what you have to do in any exam, go for easy questions. Out of 30 questions, there are around 15 questions which will take hardly 10 minutes to complete, my dear. There are around 7 questions which will take around 10 minutes to complete. Okay. That's all called difficult. But there are some questions remaining 8 questions, moderate questions, each which will take around 8 minutes only. These are called easy questions. These are called difficult questions. These are called moderate questions. That's what the target you have to do in exam. Now probability is favorable out of total. You want all three different. So first of all, you are drawing three. You have total 9 plus 7, 16 you have to draw. All three must be different means one should be brown, one should be yellow, one should be from mustard. Right? 16C3 means calculation 3, 16, 15, 14 divide by 3 factorial. 5 into 4 into 7. 5 NC1 means always N. NC3 means write 3 terms in numerator, divide by 3 factorial. Right, 3 factorial means 6. This is 7172 times. Okay, this is 3 factorial is 6 here, right? 2 3 times, 3 5 times, 5 5 get cancelled. 1. This calculations you have to be clear. That's what I am explaining. 16C3, NC3 is N into, if it is NC4, write 4 terms in numerator, divide by 4 factorial. If it is NC2, write 2 terms in numerator, divide by 2 factorial. Next one, when it is purchase, listen, when it is bought, purchase, cost price, when cost prices are same, we have very simple shortcut. Our cost price ratio is given. Same means there 1:1 ratio, right? Cost prices ratios are given. Okay, same means I can take 1:1. Then overall result is 1 into 20% plus 1 into minus 10% divide by 1 plus 1. If this as this same price, I am writing 1:1. If it is twice, 2:1. 2 into this, 1 into this divided by 2 plus 1. Likewise, we can do 5% is the answer. Got it? This is same. Cost price are same. Now look into the 18th question, time and work. See about this question. A does 70% of the work in 40 days. He then calls B and they together finish the remaining work in 6 days. See, A completed 70% of work in 40 days. Good question actually. A plus B together remaining work means 30% of work in 6 days. Now question is B alone. B alone complete the work in how many days? Right? Okay. Then there is a shortcut thing. First, you convert this into full work. 70% of work in 40 days, right? Full work. Okay, 70% means 7 by 10. 7 by 10th of the work is in 40 days. Full work is nothing but 40 into 10 divided by 7, which is 400 by 7 days. A can complete the entire work in 400 by 7 days. Next, together 30% in 6 days, 10% in 2 days, 100% means 20 days will come. See, A alone 400 by 7, A plus B 20 days. Now B alone, if you want, there is a shortcut. Okay, if you know together, alone means product divided by difference. If you know together మీకు తెలిస్తే alone కనుక్కోవాలంటే product 400 divided by 7 into 20 divide by difference between these two means 20 minus 400 by, yeah, difference. The okay, difference should be positive in denominator, maintain likewise difference. So this will be 140 by 7, 260 in denominator, 7 7 cancel. Okay, 400 into 20 divided by 260, this 0 cancel, 13. 400 divided by 13 dear, which is 30.77. Option C. Option C. Yeah, few people are not understand the concepts. I think around 3 people. Fine. We'll get the idea of going forward when we discuss everything. Now, is this question clear? You have 70% of work 40 days. To convert into full, 70% means nothing but 7 by 10. 70 divided by 100. 40 days. Full work means 40 into 10 divided by 7. When you know full work related, okay, A complete the work in 400 by 7 days, A plus B 20, B alone means product divided by difference. If they're given alone, if you want to do together, I repeat, if you know alone tells you together connect the product divided by summation. Okay. Now let's see about this 19th question. If you are clear with 18, then I look into 19. If you have a doubt in this, let me know. Right. Series 19 and 20 both. So 30 minutes late than the usual time and travels at a speed of 40% more than his usual speed, 25 minutes early. See, normally your speed is something. Now you increase the speed by 40%, 140%. Previously, okay, what is the usual time taken by him to reach the office? So you are taking 30 minutes late. Now you are taking 25 minutes early. Now question is related to usual time taken, right? So you just see this, how to calculate that value. Check once, calculate the value, check once. So connect అయ్యారు మనం చూస్తున్నారు సార్ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. So what do you got? Starts from his office 30 minutes later than the usual time and travel at a speed of 40% more than his usual speed. Fine. Now, see this question approach. I'll just So we need some space. Yeah, fine. I'll just add it here. Okay. You have to calculate t value, usual time taken. You started 30. See, you are going with speed, yes. Time taken is t, but here you started 30 minutes late. 1 second. I can change this equation in a very simple way. Normal speed is s. Time taken is t. But today you are going with 140% of speed. 140% of speed. Speed is increased by 40%. Now you reach 25 minutes early, but fine. But when you started 30 minutes late and reach 25 minutes early, means try to understand here overall time you people saved is 55 minutes. Here on time you started, you taken time t to reach. But here you try to check it out this question. You started 30 minutes late than usual time and reached 25 minutes early because speed is increased. And here overall time change is 55. Don't take 25, you saved 55 minutes. Distance is same. Now what you can do, let's say this is t minus 55, I have to write not 25. Why sir? Because of the speed and time are inversely proportional. S1 divided by S2 is T2 divided by T1. S1 is S. S2 is 140%, means 140 divided by 100 or 14 divided by 10. This is cancelled. Here timing T minus 55 divided by T. Now this will go reverse. This is 5 by, yeah, this T will go 5 by 70 is nothing but t minus 55. This will go to this side. 2t equal to 50. Yeah, 2t equal to 55 into 7. So that's what the answer, which is what do you got? 385 divided by 2. Right? So you can just check it out. What is the answer here? Okay, t value you have to just find it and map. Is there any calculations? Yes, once again check 5t. Yeah, here it is 70. Difference is 2t. This 7 into 55 will go to that side. Okay, so t value 150 something, but here what they given, but he starts from office 30 minutes late than the usual time and travels at a speed of 40% more than reach his home 25 minutes early. Obviously 55 minutes is the time saver here. Okay, speed increase you saved 25 minutes, speed increase time should decrease. How much time you decrease is 55 overall. That's fine. Okay, that's what we did. And now S1 by S2. S1 is S. S2 is 140%, which is 1.4 or 7 by 5. 5 by 7, correct only. 75t, 2t. T value where, no, we got answer, but options are not matching. That's what I'm worrying about. 385 divided by 2, which is 192.5 minutes. Normal time taken is 192.5 minutes. If we take 25 minutes early, then 25 into 7 divided by 2. You have option 87.5, but that's wrong approach. Yeah, this question to match the options, okay, I can go like S divided by 140% of S is equal to T minus 25 divided by T. If I go in this way, then we'll get 2T equal to 25 into 7, which is 12.5 into 7, 87.5 minutes. But that there in the option, but that's not correct. I'm telling you, you saved overall how much? You please try to see that. You started late and you reached early due to the speed increase. The effect is 55 minutes. If I go 25 minutes instead of 55, I'll get the answer 87.5. But it's not the correct one. That's what. Okay, there is some mistakes in questions as well. But check it out. Okay, the correct approach is this. This is the answer. but to find okay related one in the options is 87.5. This is regarding distance is constant, speed and time are inversely related. Understand the procedure of solving the question. So why 55 you are taking? Why not 25 only? You started late, my dear. If you start on time, you will reach 55 minutes early. You started 30 minutes late, even you cover that and reach it 25 minutes early. If you start on time, you'll reach 55 minutes early, right? That's what I'm talking about. T minus early means you have to take less time. That's why minus. Okay, but if you keep 25, then you got the option. That's what they did mistake also while creating. I believe you understand what is the discussion happening. That's how, are you clear with this? What you are understanding? Why I marked okay 55. Okay, what is the mistake here? Why they taken 20? 25 is actually wrong. This is the okay options to match, but I'm not happy with that. No, I'm not like it's a conceptual wise, it's wrong point. Now let's see about 20 and 21. 20 and 21, see this. Right, I believe you understand this 20. We have bag A, 4 red and 6 blue, black, sorry, bag B, 5 red and 2 black. First we have to select the bag. So 1 by 2 chance, this is 1 by 2. Here red means 4 out of 10. Here red means 5 out of 7. Solving we got 39 out of 70. 39 by 35 is wrong because probability more than 1 will come. That's wrong. And here gain, profit or loss is calculated on cost price. This gain 18.5% is nothing but 18.5% of CP. This extra amount you got because of this extra gain. So 18.5% is difference between these two, right? Then calculate, this is nothing but okay 5350. Now cost price is 5350 divided by 18.5% means 0.815, 0.185, sorry. Yeah. If you do, you will get this. Calculator not allowed, but you can try to manage it. I use my calculator to solve that. That's no hidden thing. Now see 22 time and work, I'm giving 1 minute time. Here, Jacob and Carl, okay, Jay can complete the work in 18 days. This candidate can complete the work in 24 days. We'll fix the work. Let it be equal to 72 pages, taking LCM for those two. I'm taking my work is typing 72 pages. Now, Jacob can type 4 pages per day. Carl can type 3 pages per day. They worked together for 4 days. So fine. So they worked for 4 days together. Jack can okay together 4 plus 3 they can type 7 pages per day. They worked for 4 days means 7 into 4 28 pages. Now we have still 44 pages to type, right? This is done by Jacob is replaced by Dixon. So Dixon and Carl together. Dixon we don't know, but 44 pages done by these two people in 8 days as per the question. Means together their efficiency is 44 divided by D, sorry 8, which is nothing but 11 divided by 2, means 5.5. I know Carl is 3, Dachshund will be 2.5 pages per day. Dachshund can type 2.5 pages per day. So the time taken is 72 divided by 2.5. 2.5 means 5 by 2. Okay, so 72 into 2 divided by 5, 144 divided by 5, which is 28.8 days. Time taken. He can type 2.5 pages per day, but work is 72 pages. It takes 28.8 days. So this question related to time and work. Next question. In how many ways a team of 11 basket players be selected out of 6 defenders and 8 attack players such that the team has at least 5 attackers? You want 11 players, 6 defenders are there, 8 attack players are there. You want 11, 11 players from this, right? So you want at least 5 attackers, means 5 attackers, 6 attackers, 7 attackers, 8 attackers, right? So when there are 5 attackers, remaining 6 must be from defenders. Here 5 defenders, 4 defenders, 3 defenders. So what I can do, I want 6 defenders means 66 into 5 attackers means 8c5. Next 6c5 into 8c6. Next 6c4 into 8c7. Next 6c5 into 8c8. Oh, one moment. 8c. So this is 6c3. Maximum I can go for 8 attackers only. I cannot proceed beyond that because maximum 8 only available. This calculations we have to do. 66 is nothing but 1. 65 is nothing but 6. 65 or 61 both are same. Selecting 5 people or rejecting 1 person out of 6, selecting 5 people or rejecting 1 person both are same. NC1 is always equal to N. Right. And 63 is nothing but 20. 8C8 is 1. 8C7 also 8. 64 is nothing but equal to 62. How to do 62 calculation? 6 into 5 divided by 2, which is nothing but 15. So 15 into 8, 180. 8C2. 8C6 is nothing but equal to 8C2. So 8 into 7 divided by 2, which is 28. 8C5 is nothing but equal to 8C3. 8C3 means how to calculate? 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial, cancel, it's 56. So 56 plus, okay, what is this? 168, right? Yeah, 120 and 20, 140. So 196 plus 168, which is 324 or 64? 364. Good. So permutations and combinations, have a look. Yeah, agree. There is some screen issue happened in between, it seems. We solve typical questions. Now, if you look into this question, this is very easy. You put this in the options. Okay, like 2 into 1 minus 3 plus 3 into t 2. Okay, if you just check it out, this is 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 3, 5. It is not satisfying the first equation. Next equation 1 into 2 minus 3 plus 5 into 2, which is 11 minus 6. Again 5, not satisfying that equation. Last one, 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 4. This will give negative answer, right? So minus 4, it is not satisfying. So it's no, it is not a solution for any of the equation. Next one, here they given difference between the interest I1 minus I2. Okay, principal is same, timing is 4 years, rate of interest difference is what they are asking. This is given, difference is 125. Difference between interest is 125. Difference between rate of interest we need to calculate. See how easy, right? This is. Now this is 125. Yeah, they given differences is 125. This is 1 time. This is 10 times. This is cancel. 10 divided by 4, which is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5%. Difference between rate of interest is 2.5. right? So simple interest and compound interest. Previous question. Okay, see, I want minimum 5 attackers and total 11 players required. I have 8 attackers. Minimum, okay, 5 attackers means 8, 5 means 5 attackers, 6 attackers, 7 attackers, 8 attackers I want. When you have 5, remaining 3 must be defenders, remaining 4 must be defenders here, remaining 5 must be defenders, remaining 6 must be defenders. Defenders are 6. I want to select all 6. 6C6. 8 attackers, I want 5. 8C5. Here's 5 defenders out of 6. 6C5. 8C6. 6C4. 8C7. 6C3. 8C8. That calculations will have to be clear. 8C5 can be written as 8C3. 6C4 can be written as 6C2 likewise. 8C6 can be written as 8C2 likewise. Fine. Okay.